Vidya, welcome to the EduBulletin, the online news platform for all the latest educational updates. Let's see the highlights of the day. CBSE allows affiliated schools to open branch schools, Balvatika to Class 5, under the same name and affiliation number, while the main school continues to run classes 6 to 12. Staff and infrastructure guidelines set and schools can apply on SARAS 6.0 from the academic session 2026-27. Goa schools achieve 70% student registration for APAR IDs to track performance from nursery to class 12. Manipur Class 10 Social Science Board exam paper leaked. Board of Secondary Education lodges complaint with the Cybercrime Police Station. CBSE proposes best of 2 Class 10 exam format with 2 attempts. The first phase is mandatory for all, while the second phase is for score improvement or a retest if a student fails in 1 to 5 subjects. The better score will be considered final. The highlights are: no separate exams for sports persons, they must appear in either phase. Core subjects will have fixed dates across both phases. Language exams will be held in a single sitting, while other subjects will be conducted 2 or 3 times based on student choices. Exam fees apply for both attempts, with the same exam center allotted. Students cannot select exam dates, and question papers for non-core subjects will be collected back post-exam. A maximum gap of 2 days between 2 papers. Performance in the first attempt will be available on DigiLocker for Class 11 admissions if students skip the second exam. This reform aligns with NEP 2020 recommendations, aiming to reduce the high-stakes nature of board exams. Stakeholders are invited to submit feedback on the draft policy by 9th March. Think Tank PRS legislative research reveals 35% of Indian schools have fewer than 50 students and only 1 to 2 teachers, urges urgent recruitment and recommends an autonomous teacher recruitment board for transparency. Class 10 student gave birth in Odisha school hostel. Headmaster suspended as inquiry begins. Maharashtra schools to reopen on 15th June, confirms Education Commissioner, dismissing the proposal to align with CBSE calendar. Most states, including Karnataka and Telangana, oppose Hindi imposition amid Tamil Nadu's 3-language policy implementation debate. Telangana government mandates Telugu as a compulsory subject for classes 1 to 10 across all boards from 2025-26. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the EduBulletin. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.